Mga kaibigan, it is all about life, no? It is all about sacrifice. It is all about in the highly civilized humanity. That the mind of the people in the highly civilizations of the humanity or the human being of this universe, it becomes an evilous. It becomes an evil in the character of individuals. It is all the old of the old, mga kaibigan. It is because most of us, mga kaibigan, out there is all about on how to engage. It is because of money. It is because of those things that we need in life. There is no conscience to kill everybody because of those things that we need in our life. Especially the life of the criminals, the addict, the drug lord, the rapist, and many others in the criminal activities, in the criminal minds of individuals, mga kaibigan. That is in results to the highly civilized of the humanity. There is a lot of problems and to come up in the life of individuals. Can you imagine with that? There's people willing to kill everything in return, in replace to the money. So life is nothing without money in this world, in this universe. You must to think about that. It is because every one of us, we need money. Every one of us, they need money. Money is the most evilous things that make or was created by human, or was created by man of this universe. In the time the money was discovered and was created by the human into the highly civilized of the humanity, the world become worse. The world become evil. So that's why most of us be careful and be vigilant. Everything of us be vigilant in the life of an individuals, especially for the younger generations here in the country, here in the Philippines, around the world. My message: be vigilant always, be moving forward to become more fruitful, to become more in the law-abiding citizens of every country and every boundaries around the world, that the God will provide us by life on this universe. Because the love of God, even though we are not the same in the religions, we are not the same in faith, we are not the same in races and cultures and traditions in life, but there is one God who was created us for this universe. That God will provide everything in the highly civilizations of the humanity. So it's your day to eat first, Hansel. And take coffee. Yo. So that's why there is a lot of problems to come to life. Everything must move by money. Everything must work by money. The respect of the people, the respect of the world, the respect of everything, it depends upon the money that you have. Even you are more most people more accomplishment in their life, more titles, more credentials, but if you don't have money, you are so downgrade, you are so disgrade or discredit by this universe. So the respect, it depends upon the money that you have, the money that we have. So there is a lot of people who are able to sacrifice. They are willing to kill everybody. They are willing to sacrifice themselves in return, in the replace of money. So that's why there is more illegal activities, cartel, and there is a lot of crimes was committed by this world. In it is because, not because of the certain the highly civilized of humanity, but it is because of the money. Because of the money, the life of people on this universe, it becomes worse. It becomes so greedy. It becomes most gluttony in life. Diba? It is the life all about, mga kaibigan. Thank you so much. I am not an expert to say about everything in this world, because I am not an expert. I am not the world. I am not the oldest one. But you can touch my hair, you can touch my head, but you cannot touch my brain.